We didn't start with sparks, we started with teasing jokes and moments that slowly turned into us. Honestly, at first, I didn't even like you, but you showed me through your actions, not just your words, that you were serious.
Sa gabi tayo
Baby Sexy,
kunwari
today I choose you not just my love,
sa
but as my partner and my best friend. Pero minsan, mag-aaway tayo.
At sa gabi tayo'y magkukunwari mga bituin kumikinang sa kalawakan.
ID to my soon-to-be husband, happy 5th anniversary. This espresso machine is just a small reminder that I want to share all the little moments with you every morning, every cup, every day of our life together. I love you. Now and always, Baby Sexy.
Hanggang dulo tayo, di na ako lalayo. Hanggang dulo tayo, pangakong ako'y sa'yo.
I remember telling God that if by 25, if I still haven't met my Mr. Right or the one meant for me, I'd be okay and be contented already. Then the very next day, you called and asked me again if you could court me and show me how much you loved and cared for me. That's when I thought that maybe this is a sign. And I was right.
I vow to listen with patience and to speak with kindness and to always choose understanding over pride. Together, we will build a life full of love, respect, at faith. Kahit ano pang dumating sa ating dalawa, hindi kita iiwan.
Sa gabi tayo'y
Number one, love.
magkunwari.
Kailangan mayroon kayong baon o dala-dala pag-ibig sa inyong mga sarili. Dahil ang pag-ibig ang nagpupuno ng kakulangan ng bawat isa.
Aking sinta, ano bang meron sa'yo? Kikita ka na, bumabagal ang mundo. Pag numingiti ka, para bang may iba. Pag tumitingin sa'kin, mapupungay mong mga
I've learned so much from you, and I'm proud to call you my husband. I chose you as my home, my partner, and my safe place.
Namulang ng aking mga mata, huwag kang titingin na sa iba. Akin ka na, wala nang iba.
Thank you! Thank you, Baby Sexy. Kahit ako lang nagkakape sa ating dalawa.
Hanggang sa ating pagtanda, mamahalin kita basta't pag nahulog. Nakahawak ako, huwag ka lang bibitaw. Habang buhay na ako'y iyo.
To the beautiful bride, you are glowing not just because of your dress, but because of the love in your heart. Happy anniversary! Sana magustuhan mo tong simple gifts ko para sa movie nights, bonding moments, and memories we will treasure together. I love you so much. Thank you so much. Pang-movie marathon.
Huwag ka nang matakot, huwag kang mangamba. Nandito ako pag ika'y mag-isa. Wala akong takas sa nakakalunod mong ganda. Taliganga, namulang ng aking mga mata. Huwag kang titingin na sa iba. Akin ka na, wala nang iba.
promise to respect you, support your dreams, and always be beside you through every chapter of our lives.
Kahit ang likod mo'y kubang-kuba na, kahit ang ulo mo'y puro uban na, isasayo ka hanggang sa pikit ng ating mga mata. Wala naman akong hiling pa, basta't kasama ka.
Partner tayo sa lahat dito. And kahit na binasted mo ako ng 3 beses, nandito pa rin ako. Tinupad ko yung pangako ko sa iyo noon na ikaw lang yung mamahalin ko tsaka pipiliin ko. Sa araw na to, binibigay ko sa iyo ang aking puso, ang pangakong habang buhay kitang pipiliin at mamahal.